Chris here at MarineMax Baltimore, taking you through the 2019 210 SPX from Sea Ray. Start here on the transom. You have a Mercury 150 4-stroke. Move up here to your ski pylon, which is great for your wakeboarding and skiing and tubing. You come through to a walkthrough in your transom. Brings you here to the cockpit. In the cockpit here, you got plenty of seating. You do have a cooler underneath the seat. Another pretty neat feature. You flip this up. Nice backrest for watching the sunset or watching the kids play in the water. Underneath of this is plenty of storage. You have a seating arrangements here with 2 buckets. Both buckets have thigh-rise bolsters. You come here to the dash. You have your built-in Simrad GPS, as well as your telescoping steering wheel, your stereo controls. Over here, you have a glove box that does lock. Down below here, you have storage. You have your walk-through windshield, ample seating up here in the front. Also, space for your anchor storage. Thank you for viewing the 210 SPX. Please stop by the showroom or visit our website.